Sara Ali Khan has shared a new video from her vacation with brother Ibrahim Ali Khan on Instagram. The Khan siblings can be seen cycling in light rain on a clear street at a picturesque location. Sara captioned the video, "Gone with the wind." Both of them can be seen racing ahead of their respectable cycles. Green fields can be seen on each side of the road, which has no traffic in sight. Have a look. Sara had shared similar pictures from their another cycling session a few days back. She had penned a new poem in her trademark style to go along with the pics. The brother-sister duo celebrated Raksha Bandhan at the undisclosed picturesque location. NYOOOZ Desk.